This is a demonstration of Task Factory. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the LinkedIn source. The LinkedIn source was created so that you can bring LinkedIn account data into an SSIS package. When using this component, first off, you just want to create a connection manager. And when creating the connection manager, first select LinkedIn as a service. Then provide the consumer key, the consumer secret, the user token, and the user secret. All of the API keys and tokens can be acquired at developer.linkedin.com. After the connection manager is created, you can choose your API endpoints. Currently, you can use this to retrieve your own profile, and you can use this to get other member profiles. You have the option of providing a root JSON path if needed. And below that, you can provide query parameters. You can provide query parameters depending on which API endpoint you select. For example, if I set this to get member profile, then I can provide a user ID and retrieve that particular profile. For this demonstration, I'm just going to keep this set to get my profile. And below the query parameters, you can see what output columns will be created. On the Preview tab, you can preview the data. Since I have it set to get my profile, it shows my first and last name, the headline, and the ID. And then down towards the bottom, you can see the raw data. This is just one of the many features of Task Factory.